Hey guys, here we have this 2015 Volvo V60 T5 with halogen headlamp, snow fog lamps, but you do have daytime running lights. A beautiful set of 235/40/19s to come with the special package this one has. It's a very attractive car. In the rear, the tires measure 235/40s. They are 19s. Very attractive car. You have a nice dual exhaust. Really love the styling. I love the wheels. I really like the color too. Gas cap was released from inside. We'll go ahead and look at the window sticker. 2015 Volvo V60 5. 2-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder, 240 horsepower, 258 foot-pounds of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic. See all the packages. This one's stickers for $47,659. 2537 is your fuel economy. You have a nice saddle brown leather interior. There's a 10-way power driver seat, back and forth, thigh support, and backrest. 3-person memory. Oh, sorry about that. Getting in, you are greeted nicely with the electroluminescent gauges that remind me of the previous generation Ford Fusion. Door materials, everything's soft. You have this nice saddle brown leather here. Chrome door handle, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, window lock. Rubberized storage down below. You have your hood latch. Electronic parking brake, automatic lights, fuel cap release, and the hatch. You have your wipers. Actually, I'm sorry, these are the lights. Then you have your wipers over here. A nice leather wrap steering wheel. It's a very soft leather with a grip extension. You have cruise control, audio controls, paddle shifters, engine start-stop. Obviously this has no key in it. Dashboard's rubberized. You have Volvo's navigation system. While that loads, you have dual zone automatic climate control, heated seats, an 8-speed automatic, 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. This nice padded console with felt line storage. See, the map graphics are okay. Got a radio. It's pretty cool how you can flip through the stations. Kind of like BMW. Media. I think that's pretty cool. Like I said, dual zone automatic climate control with heated seats. And the glove box is padded and rubberized inside. Pretty well sized. It's little visors with a mirror. Moonroof. And an auto-dimming rearview mirror. We'll go ahead and check out the back seat. Being a wagon, you would expect it to be quite large. And it is. I'll get in on the other side. Opening up the hatch. It's not powered or anything, but you have a good amount of room. And a cargo cover. To release the seats, I believe you just lift up on these handles. It'll fold down. Being on the back, still is very nice. Your lumbar support for the driver's seat is over here. I don't know why manufacturers do this. I think it's in an odd location. Same thing on the passenger side. Very soft leather. Console is padded, and you have two flip-out cup holders. Pockets in the seats. Back here, materials are all the same. Really love the metallic color. Opening up the hood, if I can find the latch. You see Volvo's 2-liter turbocharged direct injected 5-cylinder. I believe it's a 5-cylinder. Be it a T5. If you didn't catch the numbers on the window sticker, I'll put them in the description. But that sums it up for this tour, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment what you think down below, and subscribe for more.